We're going to take our makeup collection from looking like this, a hot mess, to this. All nice, pretty, everything is put together in its place. So I originally had my makeup like this, really dusty and crusty, and this just wasn't doing it for me aesthetically. It wasn't pleasing to the eye. It just was whack, okay? I had makeup everywhere, so I decided to upgrade a little bit, and that is what I did with this right here. It did not cost me a lot of money to get this little storage put together, so I'm going to show you me getting this together today. So I hope you enjoy the video. So as you could tell, I'm about to redo my makeup storage. So I got some acrylic organizers. So I have 3 that are this wide and this big. I got all of this stuff from Amazon. I'll have everything linked down below in the description box in case you're interested. I have 6 that are this size. So this is the smaller version, and this size look like this. So I have 6 of these and then 3 of these.
Oh, summer. It sounds good right now after what we just experienced, doesn't it? Grilling out, lawns being mowed, and pools opening. These are some of the things we expect with summer.
Okay, so this is what I have in my acrylic organizers. I really did not realize that I should have ordered more. Honestly, I didn't think that once I put them into the containers that it will be as stuffed as it is. So here are all of my foundations, tinted moisturizers. In here, I kind of had to mix a lot of different things because like I said, I didn't realize I had as much makeup as I do. So in here we have powders, bronzers, and highlighters. And then in the last big one, I have all of my prep products. So I have moisturizers, eye cream, my glowy face products, some primers. So that's all in here. One of the small ones here, I have all of my lip glosses and liquid lipsticks. In here, I put all of my Super Shock shadows and also some of like my other cream based products. Like this L'Oreal shadow is a cream shadow. This is the ColourPop Jelly Much shadow. And then I just have one eye primer in here. So this is basically just all Super Shock shadows with some more like creamy products. So in here we have a mix up of many different products. There's blush in here, and then there's also these 3 liquid eyeshadows because I really didn't have anywhere else to put them. I could put them with the lip glosses, but I just feel like that's whack. So I mainly have blush in here, and then I have these 3 liquid eyeshadows. 2 from Stila, 1 from ColourPop. And in the other little one, I have all of my bullet lipsticks and my little lip palette from e.l.f. In this one, I have all of my concealers. So these are just all of my current concealers that I use. And then in the last one, this is like another mashup of different products. I have my lip liners, my eyeliners, and my brow products in here. I still have left in my makeup collection all of like my palettes, eyeshadow palettes, and then like blush palettes, highlighter palettes, bronzer palettes, those type of things. I'm gonna wait for my husband to set up my actual dresser that all of this stuff is going in, and then I'll pick a drawer for each product. Those products that I mentioned, all of the palette type products, won't be in acrylic organizers. They're just gonna go in the actual drawers. So those are the only thing that really doesn't have a home right now, so I just have to wait. So my husband put this together for me. It took him maybe like 10 minutes. It was not that long, and I am loving it so far. I love how I have everything on it. It just makes the room look totally different. It just makes the room look so more enjoyable room to be in. As you can see, I got my little pictures over there. This little blackboard, I can actually write little stuff on it. But on top of this, I chose to put my little gold love sign that I got from the Dollar Tree. I just put that up there with a candle in the back. I also stored my makeup brushes on top of these. As you can see, I really need to give these a bath. They dirty. But I put all of my makeup brushes on top of these. I just thought it would look really, really pretty. Of course, the neon green one is in the middle. Then I got my home gold thing that I also got from Dollar Tree. Then I have my mirror back there. That's what I do That's what I use to film my videos and do my makeup. So everything I have on top is what I use regularly, besides, you know, like the Love and the Home. And I got those once again from Dollar Tree. You don't have to spend a lot of money for little trinkets to make your place look good, so keep that in mind. So let's go through the drawers. Let me show you. This is a 5-drawer set. I love that it has 5 drawers. I think that is like perfect for my makeup collection. I love that they have really 2 deep big drawers and then 3 smaller ones. So we're going to start off with the left side of the drawers. So if you pull out the first drawer, in there I have one of my acrylic organizers, and I have all of my prep products. So I have my moisturizers, my primers, my glowy face lotions, and things like that. And then as you can see in the back, I have some wipes that I use when I do my makeup, the razors that I use to shave my face, and also some sponge wedges. And then I also have the airbrush legs in there. So that is what is in the first drawer. Then the second drawer on the left side, when you open it, I have all of my foundations that's in my acrylic organizers. So I have foundations and tinted moisturizers. And then in the back there, I have some makeup bags that I use when I go places. So this fit perfectly with all of my foundations. I think it is great. Now, as my makeup collection grows, of course, I can always order more acrylic organizers. Getting into the right side of my little organization thing, if we open it up, voila! As you can see, it's a bunch of stuff in this drawer. So let me kind of break it down how I got it organized. It doesn't look organized, but trust me, it is. So as you can see, I have the acrylic organizer in this drawer. And what I have in there are powders, highlighters, and bronzers. So that's all that's in the acrylic organizer. Then in the back there, as you can see, I have some sponges, and I also have some mascaras under there. That's just how I chose to do it. So that's what we got going back there. But once again, like I said, acrylic organizers houses all of my powders, highlighters, and bronzers. And they're mostly all single kind of bronzers, highlighters, and stuff. Then I have my palettes. So on this side, I pretty much have most of my highlighter palettes. And then I have a few Beauty Bakery kind of face palettes that have highlighters and blush. And then on this side, this is where I have most of my blush palettes as well as my bronzing palettes. So that is where you can catch most of like my palette situation for my face in this drawer here. So in the second drawer, we have a bulk of my smaller acrylic organizers. As you can see, I fit 4 in this drawer, and we have concealers in one. We have my eyeliners, brow products, and then we have liquid lipsticks, glosses, bullet lipsticks, blushes. So that's all in the second drawer, all categorized really nice in the acrylic organizers. And then the last drawer houses all of my palettes. So as you can see, they're just all in there. The only thing I have in the acrylic organizer in this drawer are my cream products, so my Super Shock shadows and just cream based products, eyeshadow primers, things like that. But all of my palettes and liquid eyeshadows I put in this drawer just like that. And that's all of my drawer. That's all of my makeup. Everything fit perfectly. So ultimately, I wanted to make this video just to share with you guys that you do not have to spend a lot to get great makeup storage. The makeup dresser thing I got from Amazon for 75 bucks, and the acrylic organizers were really cheap. They were about $15. The small ones I got for a set of 6 for $15, and then I got the bigger ones, a set of 3 for $15. So I really didn't spend that much, and it looks nice. And here I'm just showing you kind of overview of my office slash filming room. I actually really love how it looks. I think everything came together and matches really nicely together. So once again, you don't have to spend a lot to make everything look chic. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.